What's up, guys? Badgie here, down at the farm. Got somebody buying a lift today. Hasn't even tried to haggle me on the price. Back. So we're down here, getting a lift off the rollback. This dude brought his own crane. Got the trailer. I don't even gotta fucking work. H&H Equipment. We're gonna get this thing rigged up. Want a hand? It's almost like you done this a time or two.
Yeah, put it table down. If you can get it straighter up, you'll have less leverage on that.
Yeah.
Table down and then boom up. We can inch it over with the winch.
Yep, I'm gonna have to. It's not gonna let me boom up at all. As I come down towards me, and I'll cable down with it.
You want a hand?
Now.
Can't boom up with it anymore?
Won't let me boom up right now, no.
Yep. That's it. That's the money shot.
Get the money shot?
Oh yeah. Money shot.
Yep.
Fucking beautiful.
distance out, too close to here.
How's that ramp right
I'm
there?
looking on the ramps back there.
I think you're all right.
Yeah,
hang on.
I think we're clear.
Oh yeah. You got a good 6 inches, 8 inches maybe?
You want to go back some with it? Oh, like forward with the truck, or? You want to get closer to the deck and see what it looks like?
Because as you come down too, you got to watch the things for the ramps.
What are we looking like overhang on your side?
You could go that way a decent amount, I think.
See if it'll extend out. It is. You can do anything, it's just a matter of figuring it out.
That's right.
Can you either push or pull on that back corner?
What you want?
Sitting on that ramp. It's got to go, the back end has got to go to the driver's side. Like it's crooked. How are we overhanging your side? We got a couple inches on this side. Catch me as I'm walking away.
Sure, why not?
Good to meet you. Tell
You too,
Sean I
man.
said
Hey,
hi.
we'll do. What was your name again?
John.
John. All right, man.
Tell him Tessie here. He'll know me.
We'll do.
All right, man.
Well, guys, the lift is sold. We are now full asking price richer, 2,200 bucks. Pretty good, especially considering all the bullshit that went on. This little view here. Get this AC cranked up in the Suburban. See what time it is. 12:46. Hopefully you guys can see me good. Yeah. Boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 20, 40, 60, 80, 14, 15, 20, 40, 60, 80, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Boom. Now I can pay some bills. Woo! Just what I want to do. Well, it worked out good. Eric and John, thanks guys. I literally barely had to do a thing. I'm still sweating, but I really didn't have to do much. They brought their own service truck. The crane, picked it up. Yeah, worked out really well. I'm happy that that's gone. The rollback's moved. The bed came up, which is good. Now I just got to get that piston rebuilt. I still got that. Make my way across the field here. Go home. Sit in the AC. It's gross out. This thing got a temperature gauge. It is only 78 degrees outside. But humidity is about 90% today. It's going to be raining soon. Glad we got this done before the rain. But yeah, I think that's going to be it for today. Oh, here, real quick. A couple things you guys haven't seen yet. While we're here. Got the 5-ton. All-wheel drive Army dump truck. Runs and drives. Got the deuce and a half. That's like half apart, mid-motor swap, just kind of sitting there. We still got more stuff you guys haven't seen yet. But that's it for today. I'm going home. Sit my ass in the air conditioner. Peace, guys.